Cover the back, guys.
Yeah, I know you gotta drop it.
Where's he at? Right or left? Left?
Jimmy! What's wrong with you? It's all crazy!
Can you see him?
Yeah. Don't move, guys. Don't move. Got her to her throat.
Give up the air. Got a nice big throat. Hey, I'm coming in front of you,
Come on. Go. Let her go, dude. Let her go. Let her go, man. I'm telling you right now.
No, go!
Don't do it. Okay. Hey.
Doing it.
Stop. Get her out of here. Get her out of here. Get her out of here. Get out of here. Get her out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Go, get out.
Go. Lay down. Go.
One down.
Lay down.
Where's the knife?
Got it. Go. Clear your radio. Back out. Clear the rest of the house.
Out.
Clear the rest of the house.
I'm behind you, Bree.
Stand by, Sarge. Officers of Code 4, we need rescue 2 times. Female with a GSW disarm. Male subject, multiple GSWs. Whoever's on the perimeter, everybody that was in front of this house needs to be cornered off. Take them across the street.
There's blood all in the bathroom and everything.
Don't move, man. I'm telling you right now, don't move.
Are you good, Kevin?
Yeah. He's still got the knife near him.
Yeah, I know. Where's it at?
It's over this side.
Huh?
It's over this side.
You want me to go?
Stay here, don't kick me.
He just took her in the back of the house. He's got a knife. Yeah, that Yeah, I know. You gotta drop it.
Where's he at? Right or left?
Left.
Jimmy! What's wrong with you? He's all crazy! Hey.
Can you see him?
He ain't gonna use it.
Give us the air. He's got a knife to his throat.
He ain't gonna use it, y'all. He ain't gonna use no knife.
Hey, I'm coming in front of you, Kevin.
Let her go, dude. Let her go. Let her go, man. I'm telling you right now.
No, go!
Don't do it. Okay. Hey.
He's doing it.
Get her out of here. Get her out of here. Get her out of here.
Hey, now kill him!
Get out of here. Get her out of here.
Don't touch me!
Get her out of here.
Go, get him.
So, lay down.
Shots fired. One down.
Lay down.
Where's the knife?
Got it. So. Clear radio. Back out. Clear the rest of the house.
Out.
Clear the rest of the house.
I'm behind you, Bree.
Ready? I'm telling you how y'all help me.
Closet. Quick. Did you throw it? Yeah, a bunch. Is the house clear? This room is.
Everybody that's in front of this house is
Yeah, it is. Come on, Richie. Across the street. Yeah, there's blood all in the bathroom and everything.
Yeah. Don't move, man. I'm telling you right now, don't move.
Oh my God! Y'all shot me!
What do you need?
Yeah, I know. Call the mail.
Where is she hit,
Oh
sir?
my God! I'm shot! Look!
Call the
Where, ma'am?
my phone.
Look!
Cause I'm gonna see y'all.
I'm bleeding to death.
Right there in the
I'm
arm?
bleeding to death.
Kill that man.
I'm bleeding to death. I'm bleeding to death.
42 Central, we got a
I'm bleeding
second
to
one
death.
hit, one in the
Help
arm,
me,
right arm.
please. I'm gonna bleed to death. I'm gonna die. Oh Lord, help me wrap it up. Help, please.
Lift your shirt up so I can see if that knife went in you, dear.
No, help.
I got a medic coming, ma'am.
This is bleed. I'm gonna bleed to death. Oh my God, I'm bleeding to death. Y'all shot me. Oh my God, y'all shot me. Can y'all wrap it up and stop the bleeding, please?
No, the
No,
paramedics
I'm
are coming.
gonna die.
I don't have no.
Is he in there alone with the guy?
Yeah, he
Yeah,
doesn't want me to come on here.
Okay.
And y'all didn't have to shoot him.
He's coming into you.
Please help me, please, y'all. I'm finna die. I've never been shot in my life. Y'all did not have to shoot him.
Bernier, switch with me. I got latex.
How many you got?
Sir?
Please die.
I only
Switch
got.
with me.
You're gonna need more than one to get him on. Huh?
I got 2.
You got another pair?
No, as soon as we get rescue here, get some from them. Hey, Buzz. I got 1 set. Bernier's coming with a second. Did we recover the knife yet?
Yeah, I got it moved over there. We need one more person in here to cover us while we get him out, or at least get him to rescue. I'm gonna come help you, man. Don't move.